Hi everyone! Today I will show you how I tested thermal paste for presence of silver. I know that some brands of thermal paste contain silver, so I always wondered if I should collect the paste from the computer heatsinks I collected. Yes, I know most thermal pastes are based on ceramics and carbon materials, but is there any silver? And if there is it enough to make it worth collecting and processing? To find out, I got a random sample of heat sinks and used acetone and toilet paper to clean the paste from them. When I cleaned all of them, I burned the papers to remove any and all organic compounds. As you will see, there was still some acetone on those papers. Once the ashes cooled down, I transferred them into a beaker and treated them with dilute nitric acid. Nitric acid is a strong acid with oxidizing properties that has no problem dissolving silver. If any silver is present, it will be converted to silver nitrate. I left the acid to react overnight and then filtered off the solution next morning. Clear and colorless solution tells me there isn't any copper or nickel present. As for presence of silver, we cannot tell because silver nitrate is a white solid that makes clear and transparent solution. The easiest way to test for presence of silver in solution is to add a source of chlorine ions. Chlorine ions will react with silver cations and form a white insoluble precipitate of silver chloride. I used sea salt, which is mostly sodium chloride. There was no precipitate that would indicate any significant presence of silver. Can't win them all. It is what it is. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you next week.